it's Wendy Kerr here from Corporate Crossovers. Do you show the real you? You will have heard this cliche a million times that people buy people. Think about it. Whenever you buy a service, let's talk about how you actually decide to buy that service from that person. First of all, you've got to know that person. Then you've got to like that person and what they're selling. And then ultimately you've got to trust them. Then you will buy. And the thing about people buying from people is when you start to reveal a bit more of yourself in your networking and your marketing materials, on your website, and whatever communication you do, then you're going to really expedite that know, like, and trust cycle that people go through. I want you to think about really being real and authentic so that people can get to know you much faster. Because when they do, they'll trust you. And when they start to trust you, that's when they'll start to buy from you. So your action after this video is to do this. I want you to write down 10 things that people will buy about you. What is it that makes you so special and so different and so qualified to sell what you're selling? And then in the column next to that, I want you to write down 10 wonderful things about your product and service that really match who you are. And what you're going to get then is 2 lists which will have a wonderful link together, and they'll be the authentic you and the authentic you that you can put behind your products and services. And in that way, people will buy you. I would love to know how you get on with this. Please send me your comments, Facebook me, Twitter me, whatever you like. And if you found this useful, then please share it. Until next time, bye.